So oftentimes when I'm doing workshops or making presentations, I ask the crowd the question, who here wants to go to a nursing home? Nobody ever raises their hand, of course. Nobody ever wants to go to a nursing home, and people don't want to send their loved ones to a nursing home either. The problem is we get to a point, unfortunately, that sometimes our loved ones just aren't safe at home. And that's really the biggest concern, safety. And so if they're at a point where they're really not able to care for themselves, if they're at extreme risk of falling and harm, or if you have one person staying home to take care of another who themselves may be in their late 80s, and it's difficult to take care of a spouse when you're also trying to take care of yourself. What's important to remember is we need to make sure that everybody is safe and being cared for, and that's not always possible in the home, no matter how much you love somebody. And it's not an easy decision to send somebody to a nursing home, but sometimes it's necessary. What you need to understand too is that there's ways to have the government pay for that care in a nursing home that won't bankrupt the family, and that you don't have to send a loved one to a Medicaid nursing home. Because here in Florida, there's no such thing as a Medicaid nursing home. All skilled nursing facilities have a certain number of Medicaid beds. So the care that someone is getting in a nursing home who has Medicaid paying for their care versus somebody who's in a different room getting the same care in the same facility, but private paying maybe $8 or $10 or $12,000 a month, there's really no difference between the two except who's paying the bill. So it's really important, if that time has come where you need to make that difficult decision about whether it's time for nursing home care and you're worried about the cost, even if there are assets, even if there's a home, it's really worthwhile to do some education, some consultation with us, and let us explain how we can at least make that part of the decision a little easier for you and your family.